Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm Anita Gupta from Artistic Therapy Zone, and today I am here to come on the topic of enhancement of personality with art with our lovely guest, lovely Arya. So let's welcome her. I'll just send her a request to join. Lovely, you can accept my request. Hi Nandini.
Hi
Hi
Anita,
Lovely. How are you?
I'm wonderful. आप कैसे हो?
Yeah, I'm also fine. So
Perfect.
excited.
Yeah, I'm pretty much excited. It's the first live collab, and why should I not be? इतना interesting topic है, and I hope that whosoever's gonna come, they will gonna find a lot of value. So let's hope.
Even it's my first live collab. So please introduce yourself to audience.
Sure. So, hi everyone. My name is Lovely Arya. And to those who are confused, my name is Lovely and Arya is my surname. And yeah, I'm a born with an adjective. Apart from that, I'm a confidence coach. I help people to find out about how they can put their personalities out best in front and how they can groom themselves with soft skills, public speaking, and such skills. On a professional and personal front, I have done my MBA, and I've always been one of those misfits जो कि MBA करके MBA वाला career ज़्यादा नहीं pursue करना चाहते. So I think I just owned up to my own personality, and I think I'm loving every bit of it, and I'm just here to make a difference. So yeah, so that's me, and now off to you, Anita. Why don't you tell about yourself to our audience?
Guys, Lovely is a very lively personality that you'll come to know in this live. And so let me introduce to the new audience who are here. I'm Anita Gupta from Artistic Therapy Zone, and I have my own YouTube channel with the same name. And it's all about art and craft. It's for beginners of all age group. And even I host workshop for the same. And I think that art should be considered more of a stress reliever, stress buster thing rather than if we are not interested too much into art, like how Lovely says that she is not much into art, she doesn't know like that. So there are many people who doesn't know that's okay, but you should just do art for yourself to feel the calmness, feel the uh, relieve your stress. So that's what my purpose is to ask people to do art for themselves, not for becoming
Right.
Pablo Picasso. And I have been conducting workshop from past 3 years. From past 1 year, because of Corona, now it is all online. Previously, it was offline, and I used to conduct a workshop on all the mediums that are found. Like not only canvas, I'll not stick to the traditional canvas. I have asked people to paint on our footwears, even on our CDs. Waste things also I have used,
Hmm.
bottles, beer bottles, and
In
everything has
short, ये
been
बहुत
used.
talented इंसान है ना? She's done everything.
Yeah, मतलब I think if I get bored अगर मैं सिर्फ canvas पे करती रहूंगी ना तो I'll get bored. So I like to explore, and also I want कि people also should explore कि किस पे कैसे करने से कैसे लगता है, कैसे feel होता है, and every part of our
Right,
room should be decorated, right?
right, right. That's
Hi
perfect.
guys
That's
who all are
perfect.
joining in. So if you have any questions, you can keep dropping in. वरना हम लोग तो we can go on and on and on.
No, guys, trust us. It's gonna be a really full of value live session. So if you're coming in here, if you're watching it, otherwise we're gonna also be uploading this to IGTV, so you can just go to our profiles and you can see it later as well for your reference. And with that, I think Anita, अब start करते हैं. Let's give our audience a lot of value bombs जिसके लिए वो लोग आ रहे हैं, and then they wanna know, and जिसके लिए हमने इतना hype and problem create किया था. So let's just start with that, right?
Yeah. So you started,
Okay.
then I'll carry on.
Sure. So, everyone, so the topic for today is enhancement of personality with art. Now, I know many of you would be thinking, कि भाई personality is here and art is here, and how both of these girls, how they're actually clubbing it together. I mean, personality or art, koi jama nahi, right? But let me tell you one thing. A lot of people, they have a lot of misconceptions about what exactly personality is, what all comes into your personality, and how you can use different elements of your life structure, art being one of them, to enhance your personality. So isliye we have picked this one particular domain, and we would like to give you some real-time practical information about how you can use these all information and tips and tricks and hacks, and you can actually kickstart your journey. You can develop and enhance your personality using art. So that being said, let me start getting into the topic once again. Before I start telling about how art is connected with personality, let me just give you a one-liner about what personality actually is. तो सीधी भाषा में बात करी जाए, personality simply means about who we are. It's our being, how we think, how we feel, how we emote as a person, how we feel in our being. That's your personality. Now, a lot of people, they sometimes mistake personalities about how you carry yourself. हम कहते हैं ना कि यार उसकी personality देखो, उसकी personality बहुत अच्छी है. It's not that. Personality, when we are talking about personality as a term, it's all an intellectual and a mental process. But personality का एक division होता है, which is your personality traits. Yes, that element of personality, when you touch upon, that is when your physical attributes starts coming in picture. So if I say that my personality trait is that I like to, like dress up funky and I'm energetic, I'm talkative, these are my traits. But how I think, like I want to be a big person and I want to achieve this in life, I should be kind. These are my mental thought patterns. So this is personality per se. Now, when we have a bit of idea about what personality and personality traits is, it's about basically who we are, right? हम कैसे सोचते हैं, कैसे उठते बैठ रहे हैं, हम कैसे खा रहे हैं, हमारे mannerism कैसा है, how is our values and stuff like that. So यहाँ पे you must be thinking कि भाई art कहाँ से picture में आ रहा है? I mean, art and personality is very different. So coming to that portion of art, see, I have heard a lot of people saying that only a particular type of personality is nice, okay? Like you must have heard some people speaking, yaar, wo kitna acha bol sakte. Oh my God, she's an extrovert. She can speak in front of anyone. She has an amazing personality. I have such a bad personality. Nahi bhai, just because you're an introvert doesn't mean that your personality sucks. Who told you that? That's so stupid. No, it's not like that. Personality is about how you are as a person, and it can be any type. So there is always remember, there's no personality type which is ever wrong. There's no wrong personality. It is just that
same goes with art also. There is no art which is bad.
Exactly. I think, we have already found a common ground. And I think she was interestingly sun rahi thi Anita, and she was like, हाँ मैं सुन रही हूँ. She was like, अरे ये वाला point art से जा रहे हैं, मैं बताऊंगी. So, so yeah, I think that is there. And coming back to it, so personality, it's something which is, sari personalities are correct, but the only discretion which we have to offer is कौन से time या situation के लिए कौन से type की personality is suitable. Right? So let's say if you are a very bold extrovert person and आपको किसी के God forbid funeral पे जाना है या आपको कहीं किसी serious gathering में जाना है या office की meeting में जाना है, तो वहां पे आप अपना enthusiasm और power लेके नहीं जा सकते बॉस. वो आपको ऐसे दिखाएंगे, please leave, right? So
you will be like odd man out there.
Right. And, so that's why it's very important that you embrace your personality in a way and you know how to flick your personality. So आपको situation के according personality को flick करना आना चाहिए, and that is where art comes in picture. Now I tell you how. Suppose there's a particular type of feeling which you are feeling, right? I mean, agar aapko, you had a bad day, it was rough day at office or so many assignments at college, and you feel कि यार क्या ही चल रहा है. I mean, I'm just doing work, मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, and I'm just exhausted. And then again your parents said कि बेटा चल लो वो चाचा जी के फूफा जी के उसने वहां बुलाया है, and you are like बस अब ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. तो ऐसे टाइम में how will you take care, how will you actually pump yourself up? यहाँ you can use a certain techniques which you can also follow out, and उन कुछ techniques का portion में से we will be telling you about how you can use art therapy to enhance and subdue your personality to match up a certain situation. So I think Anita, अब यहाँ से आपको carry forward करना चाहिए, and you can tell us about different things and how you can move ahead.
Yeah, so all the colors have their own psychology on us. So it's like basically I won't go in the depth of each and every color, but मैं थोड़ा सा overview देती हूँ. so that audience also don't get bored. Okay, so there are basically we divide colors in two types of categories, like warm colors and cool colors. So when it comes to warm colors, suppose if you think of warm things, then what you will think? Audience can reply in the comments कि warm को क्या याद आता है? Anybody knows? Warm को सोच के कौन सा पिक्चर आता है?
कौन सा कलर आपको ध्यान आता है when we speak of the word warm?
We are waiting for audience to answer. If they don't answer in 2 seconds, you can answer.
Of like orange and like yellows and bright popping colors.
No.
And
I'm
then
not talking about color. लेकिन सिर्फ warm सोच के क्या आता है हमारे दिमाग में?
गर्मी लगती
Like
है यार.
fire का
Fire is
imagination
there.
आता है, sun का
Yes,
imagination
fire is
आता
there.
है,
That's true.
right? हाँ. So like whenever we see a picture of something which has these colors, like red, yellow, orange, all these are like warm colors, and they give us the feeling of being energetic, being attractive. And red is like more of a color which is termed with romance, passion, like that,
Right.
and very lively kind of. Whenever we see red color, it's like very lively. And when we think of cool colors, तो हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? Like
Right.
water
Ice,
आएगा,
water,
ice,
some
water,
calm,
snowfall,
serene scenes.
snowfall,
Right.
like that. And even trees, forest, all those things,
Yeah.
they all
Peaceful nature. Exactly.
so they are like cool colors. They help us to calm down ourselves. So so these all colors will help us if we are feeling very anxious or stressed or something.
Right.
So we should go with this cool colors. They will help us to feel calm and peaceful. And if you want to feel something wow, like आज तो कुछ party vibes कर रहा है, तो go with the warm colors. And yeah, I have one example to show you guys. मैंने
अच्छा आप बोलने में तभी you were like मैं swatches नहीं दिखाऊंगी.
Yeah, see, this I have shown one waterfall. So these are all cool colors. So looking at this, we get a very peaceful, serene type of feeling, right?
Right. That's right.
Yeah. And now I'll show you this one. This is all warm colors.
It's warm
So
tones.
this gives
right.
us the positive vibes, like energetic vibes. Looking at this, we feel like something
energy, passion, danger. Yeah. That's right.
Our brain start working and our brain start thinking, oh wow, something attractive is there.
That's true.
So that is what I wanted to show you. So now Lovely will carry on.
Okay.
How it is associated.
Okay, so I'll take it from here and moving further. So the thing is that जैसे हमने देखा that Anita was showing us the different spectrum of colors. We were watching at warm tones of color. We were watching at, like brighter tones of color. So I think what she was trying to make us understand was that every color or every tonality of color, they have their associated psychology with that. Right. So let's say if you have seen some websites, agar aapne Instagram pe, if you're enjoying it, if you're seeing a lot of posts. So when we are, let's say if I say a color green, okay, so we think about a certain sort of verb, a certain sort of elements which are associated with this color. So maine green bola, so you'll be like, boss, green color ka पेड़ पत्ते है, ये है, वो है. Oh, money is also green. Then green is on much on the calmer side. It's on the very serene side. If I say about blue, yeah, exactly. Minimalism is also there. And if I say about blue, then you'll be like, yes, this is the color of water. It shows about transparency. It shows about a solidified project. It shows about trust, faith. If I say about, let's say, violet or purple color. So purple color, you get that royal and luxury feels because several of the brands, agar aap unke logos dekho, they are also in purple color. And let's say if I talk about red color, okay, I'm just picking up random color. So if I talk about red color, so red color is the color of love. It's also the color of danger. So I don't know, वैसे मुझे अभी तक कोई आइडिया नहीं है ये कलर ऑफ लव और कलर ऑफ डेंजर दोनों सेम कैसे है. So ये कुछ तो है ये चक्कर. So I think सबको ध्यान रखना है अपना. But yeah, no.
Sign of danger.
Yeah, I guess so. But yeah, that being off the table, so there's a certain sort of energy that is associated with each and every color. There's a certain sort of mentality, or there's a certain sort of prejudice that is associated with each and every
Actually,
color.
these all colors are associated with our auras also. We have
Right.
this seven auras na inside our body, chakras.
I've heard. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. No, I just
So,
know about
each
chakras. I didn't
color
know the
has
chakras
this-
colors too.
Yeah, each color has this associated with some particular chakra.
Okay. That way. See, we are born with colors. We are imbibed with colors. Colors are everywhere. We can't get rid of them. So might as well learn
Black
about
and
how
white
to
तो हम
live
लोग
with them.
we can't imagine world with black and white. ऐसा लगेगा वो black and white के टीवी के जमाने में चले गए.
I know. No, seriously. I mean, I think everything is much more prettier with colors, and I think on a personality point of view, you can actually use color as a tool to indemnify you or to protect you from certain things. Like, let's say, if you're feeling very sad and if you're feeling very gloomy, very in despair, so you'll feel like wearing a lot of blacks and grays and blues and like subtle tones. But agar wahin pe aap, if you're feeling very cheerful, you're feeling very bright, you're feeling very peppy, so you will go with like pinks, oranges, dark green, light greens, colors like this. So I think each and every colors are having their own energies to associated with, and the kind of personality in which you want to flip yourself, uske according aapko apne color patterns ko choose karna chahiye. Okay, so that is about your personality and how colors can affect our personality. That is because each and every colors is they have their own energy, they have their own aura, they have their own wavelength, which makes us feel prejudiced about a particular wavelength of that given color. So that's one. Another thing that we can talk about is, personality is a very, very big concept, right? So when we are talking about personality, you cannot just talk about, let's say, कि भाई आपको क्या चीज अच्छी लगती है, आप कैसे बात कर रहे हो, या आप कहाँ पे उठ रहे हो, बैठ रहे हो, सो रहे हो. No, personality is not about that. It's a very, very big term. And उसी का एक element होता है which is very crucial for a day-to-day being, and that particular element is known as moods and emotions. या सो आपने सुना होगा, बॉयज ने सुना होगा, गर्ल्स कहती मेरी बंदी कितनी मूडी है यार, इसको मैं ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया, बहुत मूडी है, राइट? एंड मे बी इवन फॉर बॉयज फॉर दैट मैटर्स, कुछ भी I'm gonna give some examples, some randomly examples here. Like if you want to just go out for some football, if you want to take a bike, a बुलेट खरीदनी है and वो नहीं मिल रही है, registration नहीं हो रहा है, it's not available, it's on hold, anything, any reason, right? So बहुत सारी चीजों की वजह से हमारा लाइफ में हमारे मूड्स बहुत डिफर करते रहते हैं, राइट? एंड जब आपका मूड एक पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेच ऑफ टाइम के लिए खिंच जाता है, so that becomes an emotion, right? Like let's say there's a guy who's passing by and I look at him and I feel nice, I feel very happy, I feel butterfly. So that's like it's a happy mood. I'm feeling kind of flirty, or I'm feeling kind of happy. But if the same guy is there and I feel very respectful towards him, I feel very like very nice and very keen and very giving towards him, that becomes an emotion. Then we say that, okay, I feel for that person, right? So moods and emotion are basically on the same wavelength. सीधी भाषा में ये समझो कि mood is something where emotion gets on an extended period of time. So how you're feeling, if you get that stretched over, that becomes your basically emotion, right? Now, coming back to
the all emotions also changes with the color. Suppose if you want to feel calm and like that, then if you have like ambience which is having blue color or white color or these subtle colors, and you will feel really relaxed, calming, or
that's true.
Mood change हो जाएगा आपका, यानी कितना भी ऐसे एकदम गुस्सा आ रहा होगा, कुछ भी हो रहा होगा, जाओ वहां जाके बैठो, अल्टीमेटली वो कलर ना आपके ऊपर उसका वाइब इफेक्ट करने लगेगा. So colors have their own vibe and that affects our mood.
That is so true. And मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ, अनीता. like if you have ever, like when we go to these fine dining restaurants and everything, when we are going to a hotel and we are eating out, so we'll see बहुत ही अच्छा से, like candlelight dinner and the dim lights and everything. इस तरीके का एक ambience इन लोगों ने बना रखा होता है. But if you think of let's say that if like there's a playground या फिर बच्चे के खेलने की, I'm not getting the word about, so this playhouse area for kids, तो आप देखोगे कि वहां पे जैसे बहुत सारी colorful balls हैं, then it's
Right.
also a lot of colorful
Bright colors
tiles is there, so that the kids would feel very energetic, they would feel pump up कि अरे आज इससे खेलेंगे, we'll play with this, we'll throw on that, and we'll do anything, all the kind of wacky stuff. Right, so I think this is also how color makes us feel prejudiced about a particular thing. आप जिस location में हो, आप जिस जगह पे हो, and how you're feeling, that kahin na kahin it gets encountered, it gets kind of influenced by what colors and what kind of art and mastery you are around, right? And art is not just about color. I mean, agar aap sketching mein bhi baat karte ho, there's so many, I mean, I'm sure Anita can tell us better about that, so we'll get in there in too. But there's a lot of elements about art. I mean, let's say, oh wait, ये दिख नहीं रहा पे, I have a smiley sticker कहीं पे, and this is like my bed is over there, so whenever I wake up every morning, this is the first thing that I see. यहाँ पे एक sticker है, अब मैं वो हिला नहीं रही हूँ, ये tripod वरना ये पूरा गिर जाएगा, but so that is also very bright and a bright smiley and yellow, and that's the kind of sticker that's just on my wardrobe. So इन चीजों से क्या होता है, that when we see a particular color, when we see a particular simple form of art, so मैं सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहले एक smiley face देखती हूँ, so I feel happy. I mean, just before I can even think of something कि मुझ पे कितने काम हैं, या मैं last दिन मेरा mood कैसा था, क्या है आज, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, क्या खाऊंगी, क्या पहनना है, सब कुछ सोचने से पहले when I just wake up and I just open my eyes, and that sticker is the first thing which I see, which is a smiling face. So that is also an art. इस तरीके से art और इसके बहुत different dimensions हमको कहीं ना कहीं बहुत impact करते हैं, हमें बहुत ज्यादा खुश करते हैं. That is why art is very, very important. So even if you're talking about moods and emotions in particular, art is something which can actually drastically play with it, right? Because, if you say कि मेरा mood खराब है यार, चल मैं song सुन लेता हूँ, that is also a form of art. If you say that, I'm not feeling fine, I think I'll just write down in my journal, that is also art. If you say that, what, I'm just feeling very clustered and claustrophobic, I think I'll just paint something beautiful, that is also art, right? So this is how your expression, any way by you're expressing your moods and emotion, is basically a form of art, right? And we're going to pick some of those elements.
Emotion affects us a lot when we draw, or especially when we doodle or something, that emotion comes out on paper. And I would like
to that is what I was coming on to.
Yeah, I would like to give you one example. You looking at the art, you decide that what mood I am in. Okay, and audience.
Okay, that is interesting.
Also,
okay,
you can also help Lovely with this. Okay, just a second.
I'm clueless. I'm gonna need a lot of help in that, I guess. Because I'm more of a words person, so art वगैरह मेरे को थोड़ा डर लगता है. Oh, okay, so we are going on Pablo Picasso right now.
No. This is just a simple doodle wherein I want to ask you guys that what is my mood. Looking at the doodle, you can just tell me. So I'm drawing like this 2 boxes. Okay. I hope you guys can see it properly. I'm just holding it in my hand. So now I am just randomly scribbling. Okay.
Okay.
So here I have one mood. Okay. And then here you can see
Oh my goodness, it's so impactful.
Okay, so this both, what sort of mood I am here and what sort of mood I am here. Guys, you can reply in the comment box. And अगर आप लोग जवाब नहीं दे पाओगे तो फिर पास ऑन हो जाएगा लवली को.
ये मेरे पे इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मत डालो, I'm not dependable. एक तो I'm constantly like gone, and I'm like switching my eyesight from like camera to the art to you to me and then to comments, and I'm like ऐसे ऐसे मेरा eyesight wavelength बन गया. मैंने कहा क्या
Audience,
हो रहा है
please help
एकदम.
Lovely then. Please help Lovely.
Yeah.
Please put in the comment box what you feel, guys. Any
जैसे
answers?
आप तो वैसे ऐसा भी एकदम ऐसे एनालॉजीज आपने ड्रॉ किया है, स्टिल इट लुक्स वेरी परफेक्ट. मतलब मैं तो पता नहीं, मतलब ऐसे टेढ़ी लाइन पे बनाऊंगी तो पता नहीं क्या ही बन जाएगा. आई एम सो हॉरिबल एट आर्ट, आई टेल यू अनीता. इट्स वेरी
This
हॉरिबल.
is a limiting belief now. This is a limiting belief. No art is horrible, I tell
या
you. जैसे आप बोल रहे थे ना,
या
every
दैट विल बी फन.
personality is unique, every art is unique. कभी देखे हैं
दैट इज
abstract
ट्रू.
paintings? Guys, I'm not
या
getting any reply. आप लोग हो भी के सो गए?
नहीं, आई गेस वो लोग
Is
है,
there
वो दे आर
anyone
जस्ट
to
वॉचिंग
reply?
टू गर्ल्स. वो देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग कितना बोल रहे हैं, दे आर लाइक भाई ये दोनों देवियां ये चुप हो रही हैं या हम कमेंट करें, क्योंकि हमने पहले हेलो हेलो लिखा तो इन्होंने देखा नहीं है. सो शुड वी राइट और नॉट.
सॉरी
बट
गाइस, मिस्ड योर कमेंट्स. हम लोग इतना बातें करने में, आपको पूरा डिटेल समझाने में बिजी हो गए
या
थे. हेलो टू एवरीवन हु हैज जॉइंड. अभी प्लीज आंसर करो. आई एम वेटिंग. ओके,
दैट्स सो
आई
नाइस.
थिंक लवली वो लोग तो स्टक हो गए. कैन यू जस्ट ट्राई?
Yeah, okay, I'll honest opinion, okay? So मतलब मैं बताऊं कि how I feel looking at these pictures, right?
यस यस, व्हाट इज मतलब
Okay.
व्हाट मूड द पर्सन हु हैज डूडल दिस, वो कौन से मूड में है?
Yeah, I mean, if I look at the first picture on the left box, so I would say, that person's quite irritated and like, हाँ, ये left वाला, ठीक है? And, so the box on the left, so I would feel the person's quite irritated and flustered hai, pareshan hai, maybe they are overthinking or they are just trying to figure something out, but they are kind of stuck. So that's what I feel
या
about the left box. And if I say about the right one, so, I mean, I would say that the person's kind of much more composed. They are much more on the greener end, right? They are feeling kind of serene. They are sorted. They are organized, and I think they're just trying to express something. So I think this is what I can make out of these two snippets of doodles. So yeah.
या एक्चुअली यू आर
Oh,
राइट.
and the pretty smile is back again.
Yeah, actually you are right. So that is the difference. So our art expresses our emotion, our mood. So if you want to if you want to feel, just pick up your pen and paper and scribble whatever you feel like, and then after like scribbling for 2 minutes, ultimately you will find that something has started working in your mind, जो ना आपको एकदम से calmness, peacefulness की तरफ लेकर जाएगा.
That's
And
true.
for me, I find it very difficult when I sit and meditate. मतलब अगर कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि चलो आंखें बंद करके और मेडिटेट करो एंड डोंट थिंक अबाउट एनीबॉडी और एनीथिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग, मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है गाइस. बट व्हेन
Yeah,
आई
I
जस्ट
think it
पिक अप
happens
माय
with me जब मैं
आर्ट
read कर रही
सप्लाईज.
हूँ.
हाँ, बट व्हेन आई पिक अप माय आर्ट सप्लाईज,
That's true.
बस within 5 minutes I am in my own world, I am in my own zone, I forget about every damn thing. एक भी thought नहीं आता है. So for me art works as a meditation. And
Right.
how about you, Lovely? What works for you as a meditation?
Well, to be honest, meditation works as a meditation for me. I tried that also. So I have surmountable amounts of, I have crazy amounts of imagination powers. Okay, so like मैं guided meditation भी करती हूँ. So मैं अलग ही imaginations, मतलब वो दो चीज बताएंगे मैं 10 पे पहुंच जाती हूँ. So I enjoy that process. It makes me kind of feel high. And apart from that, I think मुझे बोलना बहुत पसंद है. So I think, whenever I'm feeling low or I want to just get out of a phase, I try to talk to a couple of friends. But आपको honestly एक चीज बताती हूँ, there have been times where I was quite sad, yeah, I was feeling very stuck, and वहाँ मैंने actually अपनी पुरानी coloring books and colors वगैरह निकाले हैं, and I just colored. I don't know. I mean, I was just feeling, there's a lack of vibrancy or color or happiness in my life at that given moment. So I just want to color
Yeah,
off my
because
life.
what happens now, क्योंकि
Yeah,
color works so much on our mind ना, that हम कैसा feel
yeah,
कर रहे हैं ना, and especially when you are doing some art thing, all your
hmm.
senses, everything comes back to focus. मतलब ना, that is not something that we do subconsciously, right? मतलब हमारे mind को consciously सोचना पड़ेगा what we have to
Yeah,
doodle or what we have to draw, या फिर what colors
that's
we have
true.
to put. And if we are doing something like symmetry or something जैसे मंडाला हो गया
Yeah,
जिसमें patterns आते
yeah.
हैं, so that
Patterns are
that
different.
is a like scientifically proven way कि उसमें तो आपको बहुत फोकस करना पड़ेगा because that has
That
patterns.
is so true.
And जहाँ patterns
Yeah.
आएंगे you have to focus कि वो सारे एक जैसे दिखे, वरना they will not
हाँ.
look in symmetry.
मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ, जैसे अभी पैटर्न्स का यहाँ साइड में इतने सारे हार्ट 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 आए थे, एंड माय फोकस एक्चुअली शिफ्टेड देयर. आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई सुन रही, एंड देन आई जस्ट स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट द हार्ट्स व्हिच वर जस्ट बूमिंग आउट. बेसिकली माय सिस्टर, शी जस्ट केम ओवर एंड शी वाज वाचिंग एट मी, एंड उसने बहुत सारे दिल भेज दिए, सो आई गॉट हैप्पी. बट दिस इज द पावर ऑफ आर्ट, बिकॉज व्हेन समथिंग पेक्यूलियर्स हैपन, अगर आपका पर्सनालिटी उधर ड्रॉ हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग व्हिच इज शाइनिंग, and shining and personality and arts ko dhyan mein rakhte hue, I would suggest that, I mean, like you say, that it's quite meditative for you. And maine bhi, matlab, although I'm not an art person, but still, sometimes when I just wanted to color up my life, or when I wanted to feel sorted, maine bhi kabhi na kabhi kisi na kisi form mein art ko, obviously I've just embraced, and that's pretty much,
Yeah,
same for
and
all
this
of
I
us.
would suggest.
So I no. So why don't you just show people practically about how they can, why don't you just go ahead with your micro doodling tutorial, and you actually show people about how they can do and work this art therapy, with people about all that. What do you say?
Okay, so again I have to flip my camera. So you won't see the smile. अभी मेरे art को देखो.
Oh,
Look at
chalo,
Lovely
I'll
smile
keep
by this
smiling
time.
tab tak. I'll keep smiling like a joker.
Lovely will be smiling double of me now. मैंने भी हाथ में वो smile कर देगी.
Yeah. My cheeks are so damn chubby that even the wavelength of my smile is like restricted. मैं और smile करना चाहूँ, the cheeks would come in between. Okay, so we're gonna have some tutorials right away. Wow, this is fun. And Anita, make sure you are teaching us the the general and like easy ones, because I am very horrible at like maths. Oh God, I'm very horrible at maths, so hui. But I'm very horrible at art also. So I want even people like me, beginners like me, can actually do something productive when it comes to art. So
Yeah, so
I'm really
I
excited,
would
and I hope
I will
everyone's
just
too.
pick up the simplest of the doodle, that is a smiley. Okay,
Perfect.
क्योंकि स्माइली एक
Smiley.
ऐसी चीज है जो लाइक
Yeah,
उसमें
it's
बहुत
very
सारे
impactful.
इमोशंस डाल सकते हैं. We can put a lot of emotions in the smileys, emojis that we use, right? We use in our communication, chatting, and everywhere. So let's first draw a smiling, smiling smile. Yeah, smiling
Okay.
smiley. Sorry, it's becoming little difficult for me to hold, and usually I mount it like top view
तो
पे रखती
mount
हूँ. अभी
कर
मैं
लो,
एक
take
हाथ से
2 minutes,
hold.
mount कर लो if you want to, it's okay.
Just a second. Okay, मेरा सर्कल उतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. एक हाथ से ऐसे होल्ड करके ड्राइंग करने का हैबिट नहीं है ना, but it's
Obviously.
okay. The purpose
Thank you
is
for trying for us.
so don't judge me, guys.
Don't judge me. आपका perfect है यार सर्कल. मैं तो 2 घंटे लगा के इतना गोल नहीं बना पाती. Damn, मैं तो सही में बहुत बेकार हूँ. I really need to learn art. Okay, आपके workshop के batches खुले, please मुझे बताना. I'll also enroll Anita.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we're gonna go with the smiley. So we drew a circle, then
Yeah, now
अब बताते
draw
चलो यार
two
हम क्या क्या कर रहे हैं.
oval, yeah, two oval shapes,
Okay.
and then we will depict the eyes. Eyes has very this importance in art. इसमें eyes में जहाँ पे reflection बताना होता है ना, that is also
Mm-hmm.
like it shows our mood. मैं थोड़ी देर में बताती हूँ
Oh,
वो कैसे कैसे बताएगा. Let me first complete
okay.
the doodle.
Oh, look at those mascara eyelashes. So cute.
Mascara eyelashes. Okay. And now comes the big smile, जो कि लवली के फेस पे हमेशा होती है.
There you go. Cutie pie.
Okay. Yeah. So when we are happy at that time, this portion will have the shine. मतलब shine कैसे दिखाएंगे अभी? Because I'm showing with pen only. So this is like our eyeball and it has a shine here. So
Okay.
when we are happy, the shine will be on sides of our eyes. When we are
Okay.
angry, वो shine ना center में आ जाएगा. This shine will
Right.
come in center and this eyeball will also come in center. देखा है गुस्सा होते तो हमारे eyeballs कैसे center में आ जाते हैं, shine कैसे
Oh,
center में आ जाता है.
right.
Yeah, so that way. So if we are in a happy mood or if we are in a angry mood, तो वो हमारे इसमें रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. हम लोग को ना एंग्री मूड में होंगे तो हैप्पी स्माइली बनाने का मन ही नहीं करेगा.
हाँ.
ऐसा लगेगा हु वांट्स टू ड्रॉ क्या बोलते एकदम स्माइलिंग वाला फेस. मुझे इतना
हाँ.
गुस्सा आ रहा है, मुझे इतना ऐसे बुरा लग रहा है या वॉटेवर. और अगर हम लोग बहुत अच्छे मूड में हैं, लाइक हमने कोई अचीवमेंट किया है, तो फिर हमको लगेगा एंग्री वाला
Yeah.
स्माइली. हु वांट्स टू ड्रॉ एंग्री वाला स्माइली? अभी मुझे एकदम हैप्पी फीलिंग आ रहा है,
Exactly.
मैं तो हैप्पी वाला बनाऊंगी. Okay, so this is with our simple pen. But now, as we are what we say, talking about colors,
Mm-hmm.
what मतलब इसको देख के तो एक येलो कलर ही याद आता है, because yellow is like vibrant और happiness depict करता ही है. तो let's
मुझे
go with
इसकी
the
eyes
yellow
बहुत
color
क्यूट लग
only.
रही है. I couldn't stop myself from interrupting. इसकी mascara eyelashes are like fluck, fluck, fluck. I don't get that well eyelashes, जबकि I have big ones.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
so like
okay.
with just two colors, we can actually just express
Yeah,
these
this I am using
emotions and
normal
things.
sketch pen. Otherwise, I have explored a lot of mediums of
Really?
colors, from sketch pen to
Oh.
acrylic colors to watercolors to oil pastels to soft
Oh,
pastels.
have you tried oil paints also?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, I got one set. I was very young. I got one set from my brother,
अभी भी
and
young ही हो आप.
नहीं मतलब तो मैं बच्ची थी. तो although I tried to paint it, you know, मुझे तो पता नहीं था कि क्या है क्या नहीं. So I just tried to paint it like poster colors, and वो ऐसे smudgy सा हो गया with paper, and I was like, अरे what do I do with this? And
अच्छा,
मुझे आज तक
like
use ही
this
नहीं करना आया.
oil colors and all this ना वो usually I recommend to use it on some hard surface, like even if you use
Yeah.
canvas or some shoes or some even
Hmm.
CD we can use.
Ah.
And
Oh, wow.
हाँ, CD पे भी I have done like painting on CD, reuse the CD, and then we can use that CD as a coaster or as a decorative piece. Like we can use our imagination. मैंने तो pebbles तक को नहीं छोड़ा.
That's wonderful.
See these colors now, sketch pens, we have to like work with them like this very closely. पर ये मेरा स्केच पेन बहुत पुराना हो गया है, नाउ आई हैव स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग देम। तो ना वो उतना अच्छा सा उसका फ्लो नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं नहीं,
पर
इंटरेस्ट
इफ
वी कैन
योर स्केच
ट्रिब्यूट.
पेन इज लाइक न्यू तो इट विल गिव लाइक नाइस कलर। एंड nowadays तो I work mostly with acrylic colors. They are my favorite. पर I don't mind exploring multiple mediums.
Right. No, I think I think the key to have a very fulfilling life is when you explore a lot of things, and I think this could be in any domain that you're talking about. So because
Yes.
अगर आप exploring कर रहे हो, if you're not exploring who you are as a person, what you represent, what you like, what you don't like, and I mean, if you're not have that kind of awareness about it, then I think it's quite mushy. I mean, we are human beings and we have really excellent levels of intelligence if we compare ourselves to animals. So we are not just here to eat and sleep and, reproduce and do all these kind of things. मतलब बहुत कुछ है लाइफ में, and I think expression is one of the prominent ones. And my goodness, ये smiley कितना cute लग रहा है.
Although my sketch pen is like not that well, but फिर भी like you can understand the emotion here. ये तो emoji है ही, तो emotion पता चल रहा है. लेकिन this
Right.
same thing you can like what you do, जो भी आपको डूडल बनाना है, anything. जैसे कि अभी starfish मैं बनाती हूँ, okay?
Okay.
So even in this starfish, what I can do, I can place the same thing like this eyes. इसको लाइवली बना देंगे हम, तो इसमें आईज बना देंगे एंड स्माइल बना देंगे। अगर हमको स्माइली वाला ये मतलब ये इमोजी नहीं है, बट वी आर मेकिंग दिस ऑल्सो लाइक अ लाइवली,
you're giving it live.
हाँ हाँ, उसको हम लोग इमोशन दे रहे हैं, वी आर गिविंग इट एन इमोशन। सो दिस वे द स्माइलीज आर ऑल्सो लाइक क्रिएटिव वे में आप जो भी सोच रहे हो, जिस भी डूडल के बारे में सोच रहे हो, जस्ट गो अहेड एंड यूज दैम। ये स्माइलिंग मतलब आई एम जस्ट, आज मैं सिर्फ खुशी वाले मूड में, बिकॉज दिस इज माई फर्स्ट लाइफ, तो मेरे सैड वाले स्माइली आज बनने नहीं वाले मुझसे।
नहीं, good, congratulations.
तो आज हैप्पी वाले ही स्माइली दिखेंगे। अगर कभी मेरा ऐसा अच्छा मूड नहीं हुआ तो आई विल शो यू द सैड स्माइलीज।
No, I God forbid, ऐसे दिन आए भी ना। You always keep smiling. You're very peppy and very nice. So, you should always just explore your personality and just be who you are. That's a happy person. So just say that.
And इसको आप कलर कोई भी दे सकते हो, क्योंकि हमको एकदम
pink. Do we have pink?
Yeah, let me check. I have a lot of this colors. Oh, let me take out all the colors. मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा, अभी लवली ने पिंक का डिमांड किया है, तो अदरवाइज आई विल ब्रिंग एक्रेलिक कलर्स एंड शो विद दैट, या तो मैं वाटर कलर लेकर आती हूँ।
नहीं, you can pick blue is fine, blue or maroon.
अच्छा, मुझे एकदम हाइलाइटर वाला, आई गॉट दिस हाइलाइटर वाला पिंक
कर दो। मैंने actually Nemo देखी थी, so there was a starfish in that, and that was in pink in color, so I always I like that. She talks cute.
Okay. Oh wow, this is neon pink and इसको तो एकदम मतलब 4 चांद लगे neon pink से। हैप्पी वाले मूड में पिंक ने और ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस ऐड कर दी, because pink stands for happiness, to depict the happy emotion.
That's true. So Anita, like tell us, I mean, there are so many doodling, and if जैसे आप हमें draw करके बता रहे हो, and like if people they want to get more into it, so how they can progress? वो बढ़ कैसे सकते हैं इस domain में कि they want to experiment with other doodles also. So what they can do with that?
Yeah, so whatever comes in mind, just give it life like this, give it emotions. अगर आप suppose कि पेंसिल से ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, यू आर राइटिंग समथिंग, तो आप पेंसिल भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, आप स्केल भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, और उन सबको भी सेम इमोजी इमोशंस दे दो। दैट इज द बेस्ट वे ऑफ डूडलिंग एंड नोइंग अवर मूड। and there are like multiple ways, and doodles are the thing which are not restricted to something कि सिर्फ ऐसे smiley smiley बनाना है. Doodles can be as simple as some shape or some patterns or some flowers, anything. Doodles can be anything. जो भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है ना, that can be formatted in a form of a doodle.
And this is complete with a pretty
So
smile.
it's all about your creativity कि आप क्या बनाना चाहते हो. जैसे ही दिमाग में आया, सपोज कि अभी हम लोग लाइव कर रहे हैं एंड अगर मेरे पास ऐसे मेरे दिमाग में आया कि मुझे ऐसे लाइव वाला ऐसे कुछ साइन बताना है, इफ आई एम जर्नलिंग और समथिंग, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, ऐसे करके आई जस्ट पुट लाइक दिस. दिखा रहा है ये साइन, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ गोइंग लाइव, राइट? ऐसे करके ये साइन दिखता है हमें जब लाइव का बटन प्रेस करते हैं तो. Yeah,
Oh,
so
right.
doodling increases our imagination and it even increases our calmness and peacefulness of our mind. So
True.
these are the two smiling emojis.
Yeah. I mean, these are very, very basic one, guys. So don't think that, you know, we are talking of art and we are showing these basics. It is just because you know, everyone who's watching this, they would have different level of artistic abilities, including myself. We all are not, you know, we are not so blessed like Anita here in terms of having artistic capabilities. So that is why she has shown us so basic designs. Ki yaar, if you're feeling in a particular way, if you want to switch your personality, if you want to switch your mood, if you want to fit in for a given situation, तो it's ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे level पे art आना चाहिए. You can actually have, you know, just draw something simple. You can just give life to anything. Just draw a smile or eyes to anything that you see in front of you. It can be a bottle, it can be a mobile phone, it can be anything. And just, you know, vent out.
You just pick up the pen and paper
and just start.
डूडल जो भी आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है उसको डूडल कर दो. एंड इफ यू विल कीप डूइंग इट ना, इफ यू विल कीप रेगुलरली, जैसे 10 मिनट भी आपने दिन में एक बार दे दिया ना, और वो जो फीलिंग आएगी ना, देन यू विल बी लाइक अट्रैक्टेड टू रिपीट इट, टू फील द फीलिंग, नॉट टू बिकम लाइक अ पैब्लो पिकासो, पर वो फील करने के लिए आप है ना वो डूडल करोगे ना, तो एंड इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूडलिंग, तो वो अपने हाथ का जो ऐसे ग्रिप रहता है, प्रेशर रहता है, दैट ऑल वी स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट उतना डेप्थ में जाना है तो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ ऑल दैट प्रेशर एंड एवरीथिंग. अगर नहीं जाना है, सिर्फ एंजॉय करने के लिए यू यूज कर रहा है, तो जस्ट गो हेड एंड डूडल व्हाटएवर इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड.
Exactly. And, you know, I mean, I think I'll tell one example also before we, you know, move towards the conclusion part. And that is, I just saw there's a person in New York, okay? And what he did was he took a helicopter ride and he saw the skyscraping view of the entire New York. And वो उसने 20 मिनट की राइड लिया हेलीकॉप्टर से. Then he came back and he doodled all of the, you know, skyscrapers and everything onto a wall just by his mere imagination. And when I read that thing in the article, I was like, man, like, you know, the kind of imagination and the kind of craft and creativity that person was handling, the kind of expression his personality had, it was crazy. So, you know, तब मुझे impact पता चला था कि यार art is very, very big in itself. I mean, अगर उसका एक छोटा सा भी आप part pick करो, something, you know, very basic and very sweet and like doodle, still it can be so majestic. So it all depends on you.
I would like to add here that knowledge will take you from A to B, but imagination can take you to sky. मतलब imagination sky has a limit. अगर आपका imagination strong है, if your imagination is strong, even if this is like even for kids का imagination ना, it's way higher than ours. हम लोग ना एक लिमिट तक ही सोच पाते हैं, लेकिन they are like उनको ना we should encourage them more to imagine and draw things, because उनका imagination अगर बढ़ेगा तो all the things, see whatever it is, suppose कि आज हम ये मोबाइल ही ले ले हमारा, okay? तो ये किसी ने कभी imagine किया होगा, right? In his mind he would have done one एक picture, उसने सोचा होगा there is some device like this
Right.
और वो फिर उन्होंने डिस्कवर करने के लिए बाद में सोचा होगा, बट फर्स्ट थिंग दे
Yeah.
इज दे हैव इमेजिन व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग इट इज.
That is true because like ideation, that is the fundamental unit of reality. I mean, what we can think is what we can create. It's as simple as that. So,
Yeah,
जैसे आपने कहा
yeah.
कि imagination is key, that is so true because like if you've heard of so many successful people, they also talk about manifesting their dreams into realities. They express, they doodle, they journal, they write down their gratitude journaling, they're drawing, they're painting their dreams, they dream my life wala wo tutorial karte hain, they draw these things and then they live that truth. And they keep on thinking of that particular life, they keep on manifesting that until their life becomes that. So yeah, that is so well
तो व्हाट
said.
इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी अल्टीमेटली इमेजिनेशन ही हुआ. हमने
It
कुछ
is
पिक्चर ही
imagination.
हमारे
That is true.
इवन आवर ब्रेन ना, इट कनेक्ट्स एवरीथिंग विद पिक्चर्स, इमेजेस. इफ इवन इफ यू गो इन द
Yeah, it is
फ्लैशबैक
so
ऑफ
true.
सम memory,
We
it
think
will
of
take you to
something.
in
Yeah.
the form of images. मतलब वो
Yeah.
नंबर्स के थ्रू नहीं लेके जाएगा, वो आपको इमेजेस के थ्रू ही पीछे या तो
Yeah.
आगे लेके जाएगा.
That is so true. That's right. Oh my
तो
God.
आर्ट इज नॉट जस्ट पुटिंग ऑन पेपर समथिंग. मतलब लोग ना आर्ट यानी ऐसे ही सोचते कि हाँ कुछ ड्रॉ किया, कुछ पेंट किया, दैट इज ओनली आर्ट. वैसा नहीं है. इवन थिंकिंग, इमेजिनिंग एंड देन पुटिंग इट इन एक्शन. मतलब इन एक्शन मीन्स जैसे फैन डिस्कवर किया, लाइट डिस्कवर किया, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो लाइक इमेजिनिंग एंड पुटिंग इट इन एक्शन.
In action, right? Just making something, expressing how you're feeling or what you're thinking, you know. So yeah, that is so well said. And I think with that, most of what we wanted to cover, I think that has been covered up. Anita, do you want to share some final words before we conclude for the night?
Yeah, I would like to say everyone, just pick up your pen and paper and don't hesitate. Don't think जैसे लवली ने पहले बोला I'm very bad at it. This is a limiting
Yeah,
belief.
please do. Let's not
Never,
follow any
never
limiting
ever say,
beliefs.
never ever say कि मेरा आर्ट बैड है, मेरा आर्ट अच्छा नहीं है. Every person has a unique personality और हर एक का आर्ट जो भी उसने बनाया है, it is unique in itself. तो
That's true.
अगर आपको मतलब बहुत एक्सेलेंस हासिल करनी है, इफ यू वांट टू अचीव एक्सेलेंस इन दैट, देन यू नीड रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस, एक्सप्लोरिंग मल्टीपल थिंग्स. लेकिन इफ यू वांट टू जस्ट क्रिएट इट फॉर फन एंड कामनेस,
Right.
देन जस्ट गो अहेड एंड डू इट.
That's
किसी को हमको जाकर दिखाना नहीं है, राइट? वी डोंट हैव टू शो समवन की
That's
हाँ मैंने
true.
ये बनाया, ऐसे करके मैंने बनाया. नहीं, व्हाई शुड वी शो? इट इज
Right.
जस्ट फॉर अवर सेल्फ, अवर हमारे, क्योंकि आर्ट हैज बीन साइंटिफिकली प्रूव्ड कि वो हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे इफेक्ट
Yeah.
करता है. इट
That's
इज
true. I've heard so.
रिलीजिंग वन एंडोर्फिन करके हार्मोन है जो हैप्पीनेस हार्मोन है, वो रिलीज करता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी फील हैप्पी एंड काम व्हेन वी डू आर्ट. So I will suggest
Yeah.
everyone just go ahead and doodle whatever comes to your mind.
Exactly. So we have talked about a lot of personality, a lot of art today. Now you guys know about कि कोई भी personality is not a wrong personality. Every personality is the right kind of personality. It just depends on the situation. Art is unique to each and every one. Art is for everyone, no matter how good or bad you are. As Anita says, do not restrict yourself with the limiting beliefs. Just go with it, express yourselves, because the more you try to express using the color psychology or using your moods and analyzing in self ki yaar, what I feel and how I want to feel. So if you draw something, if you're feeling sad, and if you draw things like flowers or something colorful or a smiley, just Anita ne humko
Butterfly,
demonstrate kiya.
smiley, heart.
Yeah, it's gonna get worked up, yeah, heart, exactly. So it's gonna work up, it's gonna work up on your subconscious level, and you will start feeling that patterns of personality and excellence within yourself, that yes, I'm feeling better about myself. So that being said, I think we'll wrap up here now, Anita. A lot has been said and done. In case you guys want to know more of our domains about personality development, soft skills, or confidence, or about art and her therapy, you can, just connect with both of us on our social media accounts. Also, this video is going to be going on IGTV, as I earlier said. So don't worry, in case if you missed for any what's the reason, you can still find us and you can always DM us. Yeah. So with that, I think, Anita, I'll just say goodbye to everyone. And it was really, really wonderful talking to you. It was my first live collaboration, and I loved every bit of it.
Our audience has not got bored with our talks and our things. They really. Please, guys, comment down that what did you liked about this workshop? Did you enjoy it, or was it so boring type? How you felt? Once it is uploaded on IGTV, I'll share it on my this post also,
Sure.
so that you can
Yeah,
comment below there whatever are your
definitely.
views about this. And please, guys, do follow us for more of
Our
enhancing your
contents.
skills, our
Yeah.
content. Thank you, guys. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy. Do some of the doodling art and
Yeah.
थोड़ा
Just have
बात
a
करो
good time in
लड़की
general. Introspect, know your personality, embrace your personality, live freely, do a lot of art, color yourself, color the paper, color everything, feel good about life, feel good about everything in general, and just be a much more happy and fulfilled being. So, yeah. So, with that being said, we're just gonna sign off and bye. Chalo. Bye, Anita. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Good night,
Bye.
guys.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.